Have you ever wondered if you can use Amazon Elastic File System with Windows Server 2016? It's a common question, and today we're diving into whether Windows Server 2016 can indeed mount EFS. I totally get it. Many people have heard that Windows and AWS EFS don't play well together. It can be frustrating to feel stuck, especially when you're just starting out with AWS. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, can Windows Server 2016 mount EFS? This is a crucial question for anyone looking to optimize their AWS setup. Let's explore this together. To understand this, we need to look at how AWS EFS works. EFS is designed for Linux-based systems, which is why many believe it doesn't support Windows. But is that still the case with Windows Server 2016? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to work with EFS on Windows Server 2016, and I'll share a bonus tip that could save you a lot of headaches. To begin with, the user should understand that Windows Server 2016 does not natively support Amazon Elastic File System, or EFS. However, there are workarounds available. The first step is to set up an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instance running Windows Server 2016. The user can do this through the AWS Management Console. Next, the user needs to install the Amazon EFS Mount Helper on their Windows Server instance. This can be done by downloading the necessary tools from the AWS website. After installing the Mount Helper, the user should configure the security group for their EC2 instance to allow access to the EFS file system. This involves modifying inbound rules. Finally, the user can mount the EFS file system to their Windows Server instance. This can be done using the Mount Helper with the appropriate command. Fun fact, did you know that AWS EFS can scale automatically? It's like having a magic closet that expands to fit all your shoes, no more clutter. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to a user, Windows Server 2016 cannot currently mount Amazon EFS volumes. This limitation has been in place since June 2017. They also mention that it's uncertain if this feature will be available in the future. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One alternative approach is to use Samba to create a Windows share from a Linux EC2 instance. First, you would create an EC2 instance and mount the EFS on it. Then, install Samba and set up a local Samba configuration for the mount point. Don't forget to add an inbound security group entry for the SMB port. Finally, you can mount the EC2 Samba share on your Windows server, allowing you to access the EFS volume successfully. Here's your bonus tip. Always keep your AWS CLI updated. This ensures you have the latest features and security updates, making your experience smoother. And there you have it. While Windows Server 2016 doesn't natively support EFS, you can still make it work with the AWS CLI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AWS tips and tricks.